I knew it was a crazy job and it wasn't going to be fun by any means. And it wasn't our typical job.
There was two houses that were built right next door to each other, and a homeowner bought the house and combined it into one big house, and all the plumbing tied in the middle of the living room.
We had to figure out how to basically replace some under slab sewer line in a home without completely destroying. I mean, the problem was almost 6 feet under the slab in the middle of the home.
Our game plan was first go in the kitchen where Tim and Lance told us to cut out a piece of section. We cut that out, we found it, and that's where we found a cable in it, because they had a drain cable into the pipe. That's where we first there to grab it out and then carry to see where we're going.
We were coming up with all kinds of ideas. A back truck, do we hydro, tarp everything off. There was another machine, didn't know how we would get it into a house. We didn't want to hand dig 6 feet inside someone's house.
A couple other guys, Tim Garza and Trevor Salandino, that have been in my excavation crew for many, many years, brainstorming with them how we could actually bore in two new lines to bypass the broken section, and while maintaining proper fall on it, so they were gravity lines. It had to take some pinpoint precision to bore those lines in to go to the holes that we had busted inside.
Our client focus approach was key on this one.
Yeah.
After we got done, it looked very good. We tested everything, flow was good, that we were worried about getting fall while boring that line in or pulling that line back.
Yeah.
And the boring guys did a good job, gave us the right amount of fall.
There's a couple people that said that they didn't think we could do it, so overcoming that challenge and being able to do that, and I certainly see where their logic was, but that was a big success and victory being able to do that. And two, we'd never done something like that before. Now that we have, I think it's an additional practice that we can offer to our customers. It's much less invasive than your traditional practice of saw cutting the inside slab, displacing the homeowner or tenant.
Just being with the boss and another company and then your guys all working together, I think that was the most enjoyable part.